We don't have to tell you that it is essential to eat a balanced diet for your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. But at a time when so many of us are out of a job, facing an unclear financial future, or living on a low budget, it may be difficult to locate food that is healthy and inexpensive. In addition to lack of time, when you're hungry and pressured for money and time, the greatest alternatives are processed and quick meals, which become very expensive over time. We figured it out that eating healthy can actually save money in the long run, especially if you stick to a few key principles when shopping for, selecting, and preparing your food. Here are 10 simple tips that can help you save money while eating healthy. It's fun to try new foods once in a while, but when a flashy food fad gets your attention, for example, quinoa, chia seeds, acai berries, goji berries, just because a particular food or drink is showing up everywhere doesn't mean it's budget-friendly. They are nutritious, but you can eat healthy foods without having trendy foods on a diet. These trendy foods are not worth the cost when you are on a budget. Basics can bring down your food budget. You can add foods like bananas, apples, oranges, onions, carrots, winter squash, broccoli, spinach, sweet potatoes, oats, or beans, which are under $1 per serving. If you stick to the basics, it's really going to be healthy to save your budget. You don't need to stick to the list. You can add other food, but basics can save your budgets. You cannot cut out supplements that you used to take for any condition or diseases. But adding extra supplements like green powder or protein powder are nice to have, but not a must when you are on a budget. If you are buying berries in the summer, it's not too expensive, but if you are trying to buy it in winter, it will be double the cost to buy. Try to buy foods and veggies which are available in your seasonal market. It definitely saves you dollars. You can use 3 simple tricks during shopping. Generic products always cost less than branded products. Sometimes the taste is not that different between the two. This small switch can add up to big savings over time. Buy products when foods are on sale. Every dollar counts when you are on a budget. Check out sales in the newspaper and on the grocery store's websites to see who has the best deals. It takes a little extra time, but it can pay off in the long run. You should avoid going to the store when you're hungry or stressed, as it could fuel your food cravings and lead to unhealthy shopping selections. You don't have to be a vegan or vegetarian to get the benefits of these. Even if you are a meat eater, that's really okay. You can still add some plant-based foods to save some money. You can add some beans or lentils because they are comparatively less expensive and are full of protein. If you think meal planning sounds really difficult for you, trust that they are not. There are many effective meal plans available on the internet according to your interest. Just Google it and find what works for you. Shopping lists should be done when you are working on your meal planning. We're not saying you cannot eat things that are not on the list. You can buy your choice of foods, but listing foods can save you temptation from buying unnecessary expensive foods, which add to your budget. You can cook a bulk of food once a week, use it for dinner, and then the next day, leftover dinner can be your lunch at the office. Instead of buying food from outside, bringing food from home can save your budget. Eating out is always more expensive than eating homemade food. Consider frozen foods if you have difficulty in using all your fresh fruits and veggies before they go bad. This is a great choice for saving your cash. Frozen fruits and vegetables give the same vital nutrients, but have a much longer lifetime to help reduce food waste. So, which foods that we talked about today are already in your diet? Which one was your favorite on the list?
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.